guys, welcome. Today we have this question from JAMB 1996, question 26, where we've been asked to simplify 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 2x divided by x squared minus 4. So straight up into this, we write solution. I'll copy out our expression where we'll have 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 2x divided by x squared minus 4. Now, we know that x squared minus 4 is the same as x squared minus 2 squared, which in turn is a difference of 2 squares and can be expressed as bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Therefore, our denominator at the third fraction can be a bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. So our expression can be rewritten as 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 2x divided by bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Now in solving this, our LCM, which can easily be seen from or we've seen from the fraction above, becomes bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Now we use this as our LCM because it's a common term at the denominators from our expressions, from our algebraic expression, and these are fractions we have here. Now we divide bracket open x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close by x minus 2. When we do this division, what we're left with would be x plus 2. Now x plus 2 times 1 gives us s plus 2. So we end up having bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close plus bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close divided by x plus 2. We'll be left with bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. Now multiply this by 1, we'll have a bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. Now we have bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close divided by bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. This will end up cancelling out themselves. I'll be left with nothing, or 1, and 1 times 2x, we end up having plus 2x. Now continue what we're solving by opening the bracket at our numerator. So we have x plus 2, plus times s gives us plus x, plus times minus 2 gives us minus 2, plus 2x, all divided by bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Now we solve some of what we have at our numerator. So we have x plus 2x, we have 4x. We're left with plus 2 minus 2, both cancel out, and at our denominator we have a bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. We know that bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close, is a difference of two square terms and can be expressed as bracket open, x square minus 2 square, bracket close. Therefore, our answer becomes 4x divided by x square minus 2 square, which in turn is equal to 4x divided by x square minus 4, because 2 square gives us 4. And this gives us our final answer to this expression. Thanks.